Hello everyone, can you hear me? We're having a small force majeure, everyone. My Unity is just installing a version compatible for the project. Let me introduce you to my new microphone. I hope everyone is hearing the difference right now. It's quite an investment, so I hope it's good enough. Let me make music a little more quieter. I think the music is too loud, right? Let it be like this. So once again, hello everyone. Welcome to the stream. Sorry for taking so long to start the stream. I was solving some issues. Okay. We're launching the project and I will be very quickly picking up my coffee. By the way, please everyone let me know if you can hear me and if you can hear me clear. Hey Andres, nice to see you. Yes, nice to see you around too. Can you hear me well enough? Is there am I clearly audible? Yummy Bunny is not correctly configured to the client. Oh God. Whatever. Cool. Do you like my new microphone? How it sounds? Okay, can I join? Why do you tell me that it's an... Oh my god, I just want to... I swear to god, everyone, This is my life last few days. Like, I fix one issue, another issue shows up. I fix second issue, I fix third issue. I fix third issue, the fifth and sixth and ninth issue shows up. I am exhausted. It's much better than your old one. Much better. Oh, thank you very much. I guess the investment were not useless after all. Oh my god, I am exhausted. This is why this stream will be a relaxation stream. Very specifically. I made something to relax myself. Be right back 1 second. Like genuinely 1 second. I am making an coffee right now, and then we will start the relaxation process. Okay. So today, what we want to do? We want to actually start making it possible to build multiple towers, like types of towers. Bring a coffee for me too. Oh, Andres, it's not only a coffee actually. This is why it's a super relaxation stream. It's not only relaxation, it's super relaxation. I have something over here. It's a cigar. I hope YouTube not gonna ban me for saying the word cigar. I just... After such a nerve-wracking week with the whole mic finally dying, like buying a new mic, all of that stuff, I need something, and I have a cigar over here. So I hope it will help me to relax tonight. Coffee is done. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and ready to go. Oh god, so we were. Thank you very much, Andres. Yeah, I needed a moment. Like, I had to, like, get some of my money, you know, exchanged. I have, like, bonds and stocks and stuff like this to be able to afford this microphone. Because, you know, I cannot access my Patreon money. So, it's like, I am so nervous right now. I am so tired. It's really a struggle lately. So I need something to relax. By the way, I hope noise is not a big of a deal with this mic. I believe this mic is picking up a lot of noise from around. So for example, if I move around, like, can you hear my like chair creaking? This is annoying in this mic. It's very sensitive. Is this stuff? Okay, we are lock and loaded, I guess. Let's start working on this stuff. I just have the real quiet clicking. Okay, okay, if it's not that bad, then fine. Okay, where's this cigar thing? I didn't give it a chance. Ah, okay, okay, then I guess I'm happy that it's a thing. So, Yummy Bunny. I will be useful to be able to find out the main architecture is there in the project inject to twin animations. I it's I when I do my tutorials, I often learn by myself. Like, it's not only you are learning something new, um, and so I learn new things myself. So yes, I don't have like specifically, like, I have idea overall what I want to achieve and what kind of things I will be using in the tutorial, but it's like not 100% set in stone. And I don't think it's a good idea to have things set in stone by default. At least I think like this. Okay. Let's open up a smell test. It smells like berries. Really, it smells like some kind of berries. So I have my thing. Zippo lighter. Huh. So you toast it and I guess... Okay. Maybe first you should cut it. I try to smoke a cigar without cutting it. I am smart, everyone. Don't worry. Don't worry, everyone. I am super smart. I know what I'm doing with my life. Whatever. Now it's decent. Whew. Oh god. Yeah. Okay, I hope I toasted it correctly. Oh god. Please be good. It's expensive. Well, it's actually pretty mild. Yeah, you know, the first cigar I ever smoked were much more aggressive with its taste. It was really burning in my mouth, but this one is actually quite nice. It feels it feels like, I don't know, like eating a very nice cabbage, I guess. very very bitter cabbage and flowery. And no, no, not flowery. Feels more like nuts, like, you know, some kind of assorted nuts. Yes, it does feel like nuts. But it's really, really mild. The previous one were much more aggressive. Okay, what can we do? So we have professions defined with profession sprite. So we want to define characters too. And how we can do this is... Nuts indeed. Oh god. I feel... Oh, I feel different. And much more relaxed. Oh my god, the last few days were something you cannot imagine, Darklight Zero. By the way, welcome, Darklight Zero. I haven't told you, welcome. Thank you for showing up and listening to me, enjoying this cigar and trying to work on a game. Barely doing actually right now. Ah, that's a wrong way to smoke it. Oops, that was mistake. Oh, I have coffee over here. Oh, you know, when you smoke a cigar, it changes the smell of chocolate and coffee a lot. This is an interesting effect. Welcome. Alright. Okay. So, do we have a script called character? Data. No. Let's make a script called character. This script will be specifically defining a character. Maybe even call it character data. That might be. Whew. Maybe even, yes, let's rename it into like character data. But no, the data should be like defining characteristics, not just. Let's place it in data, but create, yes, just character. Open the character script, and inside this character script, okay. Besides the character, we will be holding all the information about how our character will be working and like his states between stages, like level, for example. Did my cigar? No, it's okay. It's keep burning. Oh my god, guys, you cannot imagine I feel relaxed. That was a rough few days. Oh my. Why can't I fish? Wait, don't we have profession? Wait. Character profession data. Okay, it's called character profession data. Actually, let's, instead of using, we will say this is namespace tower. Maybe we should actually start using this stuff in a different environment. Like instead namespace, instead of tower, it will be like an character RPG system or something like this, because character like data is like tower is more about an object standing on the scene, while character profession data and character itself is more about of an RPG system, how your character is functioning. That's actually kind of feels like a good idea to me, at least for now. Yeah, this one is super mild in comparison to the first one I smoked. The first one was really assaulting the senses. This one is like, oh my god. character profession data. Profession. Then we will have a defining stats of the character. Right? Yes. But for now, I think we can... For now, we can... Strange. Okay, I'm trying to think how we can approach this. I think, yes, I think I should move the character profession data and character itself into a different namespace. Так. RPG system. Okay, watching you start your volley at the moment. I just want to see that your life. Good luck with Tower Reference and channel promotion. Thank you very much, Poemat. Hey, look, if you are still here, please, let me just say this to you. Thank you very much for watching. It's extremely important for me. You cannot imagine, this is helping me to not go crazy for, you know, doing all of this. And secondly, hey, if I'm helping you, you can help me too by doing very simple thing. You heard it from every YouTuber. It's likes and comments. You cannot imagine how it helps, you know, YouTubers, how it helps with algorithm. I get 3, 4, 5 comments in a day and my view skyrockets in a day. You see, Poemat. So if you enjoy my content, I would extremely appreciate if you leave comments. God. So if I place them like this, I think this will be fine. And then I will say something like public integer placement cost. How do you draw connection? Yeah, Yummy Bunny, I actually answered this before, but you don't need to repeat it. But here, Yummy Bunny, no, I don't have anything. I mostly write the ideas into Notepad, how I will be following my tutorial, and then I learn as much as you guys do while I make my tutorials. You see, I experiment, I discover how and what should I do and how I should approach certain concepts and things over the course of the tutorial. I do have some basic understanding how it will look at the end, but not perfectly. So yes, I don't have a specific schematic connection of modules, but I will take this as a node, and maybe I will do some kind of tutorial on how to make those kind of node systems, so you can see what we have so far and how it interacts with each other so far. Hey, no worries, no worries. I just repeated myself exactly the same thing I said before, maybe just in a little different words. Don't worry about it. I'm just chilling, dude. Oh, I really appreciate that you ask these questions, because it allows me to see what people need. Like, you telling me that you want to see it, I will consider to making it. You see what I mean? Whew. Oh, yes. Okay, I will go bring myself an chocolate. Give me 1 second. Oh, wait. We don't want to have placement cost over here. Why don't we have RPG system? Oh, system. Boom. That's it. A small typo happens with everyone, don't worry. Oh. So over here we will say in public integer placement cost, and by default it will be 100 mana to place a tower. The stream is really cozy. Thank you very much. I'm sorry if I doesn't sound as active. It's just I already told you why. Oh. But oh my god, I'm so happy that this microphone is. Everyone is telling me that this microphone is great, because this is an extreme. Like, I have an Behringer Euphoria UMC 202 HD at the side, so I purchased an interface, an audio interface. I can do something like this. Now I boosted, and oh my god, I'm sorry. Probably everyone is losing their ears. And now I can opposite. I can make myself very quiet over the time. And right now I'm very, very, very quiet. Like, oh my god, this is so cool. I can change myself very easily, and there is extremely a lot of control I can do with my voice. Oh my god, this is so cool. And the quality of audio, you record a USB mic outside of this interface, audio interface, right? And it's like average. It's fine. It's not. It's okay. It's better than previous microphone, but it's still not as good as with this interface, because now the audio is so clear. You cannot imagine how clear it became when I start using this interface. Oh, does not found. Okay, so tower test. Oh, I see why it's quick using RPG system. Let's insert it over here. And let's take a bite of this chocolate. And coffee. Oh, nice. Okay, I see. So we need to go over here and say use an RPG system. Bam. That's it. That should work. So, with this thing done, we should be able to... Actually, that's it. So now, do you have a new Mac? I agree that I'll use your... Thank you very much. I... I get this weird situation actually. Most of the fellow countrymen, so to speak, are really doesn't like my accent for some reason. Like most of foreigners are like, oh, your accent is cute, fun, it adds a character. The most of the people who complains is like, oh, you have this diction problem that I speak slow. You probably noticed in my tutorials I'm slow speaker on English, right? But like for some reason a fellow countryman is like, your accent is terrible. Like why? Why is it always fellow people who is speaking my own mother tongue? Why? I don't get it. So now we have a definition of a character, and we want to create a list of characters. So let's create an Hey, by the way, if you have any questions regarding the Stardew or stuff like this, just any tutorial, ask away. I'm here to answer the questions, guys. Don't worry. Or girls. So this is a character list, which is scriptable object. Scriptable object. Scriptable object doesn't have all of this. And here we will have public list of characters. List. This way we will be able to define bunch of characters. So how about we create some kind of way to randomly generate a party? Yeah, we need to make a way to populate this list somehow. In my... Yeah, I think it's... Thank you very much. Test prof. Ah. I see. Where are you from? Like, I mean, from Russia specifically, because Russia is kind of big. I'm from Siberia. Oh, my cigar ran out of fire. I guess let's take a small break from puffing it. Otherwise, we will clear the list and then we will say generate character. I'm from Pskov, just finished school, so have somewhere to others. Oh, I see. Generate character, and then we will pass. We will say for int I equals 0, I less than test prof, and then we will say you just finished the school, so you technically probably like 17 or what. If you're less than 18, never smoke. Don't take this as an advice of me. Like the fact that I'm smoking right now, you should not do that. Never smoke. That's a bad thing to do. Oh, you're 18? Then smoke whatever you want, I don't care. Or wait, what's the law right now on this stuff? Is it like from 18? Maybe we should actually generate character and pass character profession data as a parameter. Good. Good. I actually never been interested in that stuff either, but life is kinda rough right now, so I ends up having to do it. Oh, I need to turn on my fan. My biggest fan. It's a little hot right now. Okay, so generate character. we will generate this character inside, yes, over here. Public void generate character. Generate. Oops. Generate character. And now we will say this profession is character profession data. And placement cost will be placement cost 100, but we're already setting it up as default value, but just to make sure. And then this generated character we will add into the list. Add generate character. Okay. With this done, we should be able to... Yeah, we should be able to have a bunch of characters inside this list. Yes. So, game manager, player lives, yes. On the player manager, we want to have ability to reference a party of character player possess, so player party. We will create a new object, component, and we will say over here we will need serialized field character list selected player party. 1 second, a small bathroom break. Let me create a text. Ok. Break. Stretch break. Be right back. One minute. Okay, me back. Talking about Stardew. I can say that I'm determined to watch. Well, there is... So you don't live in Russia? Where do you... I am in Siberia right now. So yes, I am in Russia. Talking about Stardew, there's I can say. Well, to be fair, I as already a person who developed some more skills in programming and in Unity, can say with 100% certainty that there is definitely some place which is not perfectly done. Like, everyone knows, it's like a meme in my community, episode 9. Episode 9 is infamous in my community how not very great it is. It have multiple issues and it's easy to mess it up because of my mistake. And the worst part about it is like it's not even used very well later on. We cut out half of the stuff we have made in episode 9. So no, it's not perfect. Yeah, I do know that it helps a lot of people, don't worry. Okay, we have player party. Okay, we want to make sure that we can create player parties. So, character list, create asset menu. Test player party. And then player manager. We will say test professions. We will have one swordsman and one gunslinger. Populate test professions. Okay, it does clear itself up when we're testing it. Good. So next we will say over here void start on the start. We will player party generate it's on RPG populate with test. Okay, populate with test profession. Okay, so this will populate the list. Let's test this and let's see. So the game launches and yes, we have 2 professions over here. Good. Well, to be fair, I did burned out few times on my content creation. But like I try to deal with it. Like this stream, where I just mess around and do stuff and just think about how I can relax while doing it. Populate with test profession. Okay. Now. We can generate towers. Yes, we can generate towers based on the player party. Yep. So we will say list. Yes, we will say list tower. Good. Okay, it's tower. Okay. Using tower. Hell, how about we even do it funnier? We will say name space tower. Then we will say list towers, and now we will say generate towers. Generate towers. Player party. Oh, why is my phone going out? What's happening? Oh, okay. So generate towers. We will be generating towers based on player party. So for how about we not even do that? We will say list character. Did you ever look at the started Unity released? That's pretty advanced auto stuff. Yes, but I wouldn't call that it's pretty advanced. By the way, welcome Tech Dave 99. Generate towers. Player party. Generate tower. It's good. It's good. It's okay. Thank you very much for watching. You don't need to apologize. Generate tower. And again, welcome. Generate tower. 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 Oh, I know. Serialize field. Tower base. Game object. Tower base. Game object. Tower game object equals instantiate tower base. Towers. Object, get component, tower. So this way we are setting our tower, and we just need to add it to the list of towers. This should work, to be honest. Like if I set it up correctly, it should generate everything what I need. Tower. So if I launch the game right now, I should get, yes, here is one character. You know about doing a Worms-like game, if you know it. Oh, of course I know it. Someday, and try to learn different Unity stuff to study. Yeah, the Worms is a game. That's for sure. Oh, I know what the problem is. Over here, we should say it's a good that you have such a nice thing to try to achieve in the life. Believe me, it's a good thing. Add tower to the list. Add tower to the party. Whatever. If towers equals null, we will say towers equals new list. That's it. That should work. Boom. Yes, we have 2 towers. And they even kinda works. Okay. So, but there will be in reserve. We will say towers in reserve, right? No, we will just keep it as towers. Then we will have list tower reserve. Maybe a played Wormix? No, I haven't played Wormix, to be honest. I only played like Worms 1, 2, Armageddon and World Party. I don't know what is Wormix. Whew. So now we will have a reserve of the towers. Hey Dark, I'm doing fine. Just released a new episode. Okay. So if I add them to towers, and then by overwhelming it's just like but with possessions. Oh, so it's a free-to-play game. Yeah, I don't play free-to-play games. So we have created a reserve and we will want to show the reserve on our control panel. Right, this is our control panel. Okay. Player party over here. No. Let's move some stuff around. I will need to change the map states because map states are kinda broken. Okay, so this party generated. I just need to show them on this panel. Okay, I think for today we should take a break. It's a nice to have to be done with like at least some part of it. Like tomorrow is a weekend and I will be streaming much more tomorrow. So I guess everyone, thank you very much for showing up to the stream and we can continue tomorrow. See you tomorrow everyone. Thank you. Bye.